It's all about seasoning to bring out the flavour. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. I'm going to be cooking some delicious steak fajitas on my barbecue. I want them to have a bit of a kick. So here's the seasoning mix I'm making. It's quick and simple and really brings out the flavour. It also makes a great dry rub for chicken.
Take a screw top jar and add 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, followed by just a half a tablespoon of hot chili powder. And if you like a real kick, add a bit more. Then 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, plus 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and a half a tablespoon of coriander. Finally, 1 heaped tablespoon of oregano. I think that's heaped. Now screw the lid down and give it a good shake. And that's all there is to it.
Now you've got to admit that one is easy. So don't miss what I do on my barbecue. Sub my channel. All you've got to do is click that button, activate and ding the bell. And if you've got a question, leave it in the comments section below. Now, here's a really quick recipe recap.
1 tablespoon of garlic salt, half a tablespoon of hot chili powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, half a tablespoon of coriander and 1 heaped tablespoon of oregano, and give it a good shake. And that's all there is to it.
Well, that's all for this time. Be sure to check out my steak marinade and steak fajitas videos. So from me, the dude of the food, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.